Welcome to the demonstration of our high-speed filling and capping monoblock. These peristaltic pumps deliver precise and controlled filling using a segmented technique, enhancing accuracy and productivity. The three-stage filling technique ensures consistent and accurate filling levels, optimizing efficiency. The vibratory bowl efficiently separates and supplies the caps, ensuring a continuous and smooth workflow. The vacuum gripper securely holds the caps, ensuring precise cap handling and contributing to the overall efficiency of the machine. Finally, driven by a servo motor, the three-jaw gripper tightly secures the cap onto the bottle. Its reliable grip and torque application ensure a tight and secure seal. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on Zonesun.